There are a number of packages here on this table, and I'm really curious to see what's inside. There is one very big, fairly large, and one is open, one is fully sealed, and then smaller ones. What do we start with? I suggest we start with the largest one. The largest one seems very disappointing. There is a lot of paper inside. And yeah, something underneath. Ooh, looks like it is a tripod. Travel Flat Series tripod. Okay, good to know. Okay, who's next? Let's start with the two small ones. Let's see what's inside. Wow, looks like there is something really called ProPad from Peak Design. So still photographic equipment. And this one seems to be accessories from Back Lens Cup Keeper, and this is Back Lens Cup Keeper. Good. Who's next? Let's go for the small one again. This one. Here we have another capture camera clip from Keep Design, camera carry system. Okay, interesting. Who's next? I suggest we open the large one, which is already half open. Looks like we got some charger. There is a Sony battery here. Wow. Is the Sony battery 2280 milliampere. And looks like there are other batteries here and components of the charger here. What else we have? A memory card, SD, 64 gigabyte, and a Sony memory card, OHC2. Looks like this has to be combined with something which is very, very performing. We have a super multi-coded protector lens from Hoya. We have, wow, a Sony lens, FE24 105 millimeters. Interesting one. Okay, G, OSS. And then we have a Sony LAEA3 mount adapter. Which is full frame E mount. So that's alpha A mount to E mount. Cool. What's missing? Well, we missed still two packages. Let me open the first one. This one. So in this one we have additional equipment from Peak Design. There is a slide light, and we have some anchor links, 1 and 2. Very good. So we are only missing the last one. What will be inside this one? Who can guess? Sony A7 III. This is full frame, 35 millimeters, with all its specification, 24.2 megapixel, 693 face detection points for autofocus, and so on and so forth. So looks like this is full of stuff that needs to be tried. So this is only body for the autofocus, and let's see what's inside. This is open. The first time I opened this one, I believe they open it to put this adapter in. I suppose this comes from Gray Imports. There is a product manual here. Seems to be fairly essential as a product manual, and it is only English. Let me open the core of the pack here. Here we have some nonsense text. Okay. Strap, camera itself. Ooh. Ooh. I'm used to A99, so it's very lightweight here. Let's see what else we have inside here. Cable. What else? Battery and yeah, charger. Let's have a look at the box of the LA EA3 adapter. Okay, let's see what's inside. Huge amount of manuals. Why we need to have all this paper here? Mount adapter, right? Then we open this one. Ooh. One side is open, the other side is closed. Interesting. This is the native E-mount lens 24-105, 905. So multi-purpose is the only lens you probably need in this camera.
for any kind of shooting, from wide angle to medium telephoto range. Compact set of paperwork with guarantees among the rest. And the zoom lens comes in this nice pouch. It's not leather, is well, looks like leather. We'll figure out later. And inside we have well wrapped the lens. It is bulky, feels heavy in the ends, it's really bulky. The lens is G, which is a sign of quality of the lenses from Sony. Extends quite a bit, and has a manual button, has stabilization on off, and a custom button that could be customized actually with the A7 III, but it's supposed to hold focus. Yeah, this is f4 constant aperture, which is good for essentially all purpose, given the high ISO sensibility of the camera, which doesn't require full aperture. The lens hood feels very solid. There is some non-reflecting material inside, soft and spongy. Good quality lens. Okay, I think we have done today. Or better we give a look into the tripod first before to say goodbye for today. So this tripod is really flat. Has is a version 2 of this flat travel that was released I think 5-6 years ago. What is really unique is the possibility to remove this one leg here and use it as a monopod. So essentially you have a tripod and a monopod. The head is ball head, adjustable in any direction with 2 levels, and could be expanded to reach the height of 165 centimeters.